In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on battery section over here. Now tap on battery mode and tap on high performance mode to activate it. So when I do that, I need to hit turn on in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, high performance was successfully enabled. To disable it, tap on battery mode again, and this time hit balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!